In this video, I am going to show you 4 stop apps on your Samsung Galaxy phone, step by step. So let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone, then open the settings page. Once you are in the main settings, scroll all the way to the very bottom, look for the apps option, click on them. After that, here you can see all of the pre-installed built-in apps listed there. Simply scroll through the app page, find the exact app if you want to force stop. For example, I am forced stop the Echo Weather app. So tap on their name, open the app info page. After this page is open, look at the very bottom. Here you can see various options. Look for the force stop button at the bottom right corner, click on them, then confirm by tapping OK. And that's it, how you can easily force stop app on your Samsung Galaxy phone. However, if you decide to you can another force stop app on your phone, don't worry. Simply return to the previous app page. Here, select the another app. For example, this time I am choose one weather app. After that, at the same process, look for the bottom right corner, tap on the force stop button, then hit OK. That's it, you are done. If you found this guide will help you, please subscribe my channel. Also like this video. Goodbye guys.